Hi, this is Professor Mary, and you're seeing this video because you're a student in UAV 100 at Wilmington University. I wanted to show you something. This is my drone license. I'm very proud about this license because when I went about deciding to become a drone pilot, I had bought a drone and I wanted to become a licensed commercial pilot to add to my freelance services that I do. I do design, I do photography, and I wanted to add drone licensing. So I went about studying for the exam. I took the exam in January of 2019, and I got a 93 on my tests, and I became a certified drone pilot. Now, that being said, the one thing that you have to understand in this class is that you're going to be flying under my drone license. So if anything happens while you're flying, it's basically flying under my license. It's kind of like if you had a permit to drive, you have to be with a licensed driver in order to drive when you have your driving permit. So in this class, you can think that you're having your drone permit, but you're flying under my license. Now that means that if there's any accidents, whether anything gets injured, a person gets injured, or any property damage occurs, I have to report that, and it goes on my drone license number. Now, with that being said, when you're flying the drone, if I feel that you are flying in an unsafe manner, I'm going to say to you, thumbs off or stop. It means you're going to take off your hands off the controls, and the drone will become basically, it will idle in place. It will fly in place. Flying a drone is kind of like flying a lawnmower. People can get hurt very badly with a drone. First, you have the propellers that are flying at several hundred RPMs, and then if the drone hits somebody, it could hurt them. The drone could also cause a great amount of damage by flying into a car or a building, and or the drone could get damaged by flying into the building or into, let's say, a light pole. So when you're flying, if I say stop or if I say thumbs off, that means you take your thumbs off the controllers, your fingers off the controllers, and you let the drone hover. Flying a drone is a very serious thing, so you need to take it very seriously. So when you come into class, and we're going to be flying hopefully every week, barring weather, you need to think, okay, I'm going to need to be serious and, perform in a proper manner and act in a proper manner fitting of a drone pilot. The other thing that you need to be aware of is that flying a drone, there's certain physical attributes that you have to have. There's absolutely positively no alcohol prior to flying a drone, no drugs. That includes marijuana, painkillers, anything like that could alter your mind in flying the drone. It also can include certain over-the-counter cough medicines or sinus medicines that could cause you to be dizzy, which would cause you to have problems flying the drone. So we're going to talk a little bit more about this the first night, but I just wanted to talk to you about this and make sure you understand that flying a drone is a very serious thing, and you need to come into it with an attitude that it is a serious thing and you need to take it very seriously. So this is Professor Mary, and I'll see you during the first class.